Recharging aerosol spray cans at home can create serious legal and safety exposure because modifying pressurized containers, handling hazardous propellants, and redistributing refilled cans can violate local, state, and federal regulations. Home recharging typically involves removing or bypassing manufacturer safety features, introducing unknown propellant mixtures, and altering labeled pressure ratings, which can trigger violations of hazardous materials and consumer product safety laws. Experts recommend first checking local codes and municipal hazardous waste ordinances because some jurisdictions explicitly prohibit altering pressurized containers or treating them as refillable hazardous waste. When handling propellants or solvents, treat them as regulated hazardous materials by using appropriate personal protective equipment, working outdoors or in a well-ventilated area, and storing materials in approved containers that are clearly labeled. For personal, non-commercial use only, keep meticulous records of source materials, exact mixtures, and any modifications to the can to demonstrate non-commercial intent if questioned by authorities. If a can is rusted, dented, or has a compromised valve, do not attempt a refill because compromised metal or seals dramatically increase the risk of rupture and potential violation of safety codes. When in doubt, consult your local environmental health department or a qualified hazardous materials specialist before proceeding. Common legal pitfalls include violating local hazardous materials codes by transporting or storing refilled cans for sale, so avoid any commercial distribution and limit activity to your own personal use at home. Another issue is improper labeling because federal consumer product safety rules require accurate hazard and ingredient information. So always label refilled cans with contents, date, and safety warnings, and keep original manufacturer warnings intact where possible. A third concern is misidentifying propellants and creating a mixture that exceeds pressure ratings, which can cause explosions and lead to civil liability and criminal charges. So only use propellants specified by the manufacturer and never exceed the can's rated pressure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences about projects, permits, and safety practices relevant to handling chemicals and pressurized containers. We help contractors find work and homeowners find local service providers while hosting community conversations about practical legal and safety questions.